Have to score 5 goals every game. I know that. When no score is a lot of pressure. I think this guy has not the pressure, so have make an incredible season so far. And he missed a penalty in the first half because the chances he misses, I think, the penalty is more difficult. But
Pep Guardiola, Manchester City manager, plays the quality and the scoring ability of his striker Erling Haaland. He has become one among the dangerous striker in England Premier League, reaching 28 goals of the Premier League. And of course, he says it's something which is not normal, and he's supposed to be praised. And of course, he has become one among the incredible player. And here he is just trying to talk about the situation of their game tonight, as he missed the penalty, but it was just like he was not frustrated, and it was just normal. Therefore, he scored the goal, and the way he celebrated it's like he was just angry, and he felt angry for the missing of the penalty. He celebrated very happily. Of course, it was just so incredible, and of course, here he says that fantastic Haaland has become